So you decided to abandon Google Classroom resources or any digital resources from now on? Wrong way. Hey, I'm Victoria from CrazyCharizma, and today I would like to chat about all the things digital and how we can use online platforms and how we can use digital resources from now on, even if you are not doing distance learning or you are not having hybrid teaching. So let me share my story. I have started using Google Classroom since 2017. Yeah, it was long before the pandemic, and it was great. I actually loved it because I could see that the kids would use the technology over and over. They just love their tablets or iPads or iPhones or anything. So they're okay with this technology. So I started to doing some research and like discovering what I can use, and the first thing I came into was Google Sites. So I found out that, I apologize, this is my cat, as always. So the first thing I found out that Google Sites have this interactive thing going on, and you can have movable pieces there. So the kids actually loved them. They loved moving these interactive movable pieces, and it was perfect for K2. I loved it. We practiced sight words, math, like anything, ELA. So we used it for homework, for independent practice, well, anything I could think of, because I would assign some task to the group of kids, but others could do independently, can work independently, and they would do great because they are used to this. Then it was Google Classroom. So first of all, I used Google Sites without Google Classroom, but then I understood, okay, so Google Classroom, you can easily assign things there, and wow, it's cool. So this cut so much paper that I used to use in my classroom. So it was tons of paper, like really a lot. And I cannot say that, oh no, I hate using paper. No, of course not. I think there should be a balance in everything, and we can use both print and we can use both digital. This is my reflection on it. Then pandemic hit, then I started using Seesaw, and I continued using Google Classroom, and I created various resources for Google Sites, for Seesaw, and it was cool, but I lacked some kind of in-person interaction with kids and all these hands-on activities. So what I'm trying to say is even after this distance learning conundrum, everything will not be as it was. We cannot go back to normal. Yes, maybe we have this idea or this desire inside that, oh no, I don't want to use distance learning things anymore. No Zoom nor anything. But in reality, I don't think it's possible. I think kids are used to this. They love it. And I think we need to combine, we need to blend. That's why, so at the beginning I forgot to ask you, are you Camp 1? Who will always use digital and no paper at all? Or just, yes, I'm in love with digital. So Camp 2, this is the teachers or homeschoolers who say no, I will use printables all the time, hands-on activities or no prep worksheets, and that's it. No digital. Or you are Camp 3, where you blend things. And this is actually me. I don't want to be polarizing and say, no, just use digital. No, just use printable. No, I don't think it's cool. I don't think it's working or it will work. No. So I want you to be in camp 3, but this is your choice. Yeah. So I can tell you how I am using and how I will be using all the digital activities for Google Sites, for Google Classroom, for Seesaw after distance learning. So first of all, of course, the way number 1 is for independent practice. Yes. Or for number 2 is for one-to-one teaching. This is like for sure. Number 3 is of course homework, because you can assign through this glorious platforms, you can assign the activities to your kids, something that they missed, maybe for the kids who were sick or just for homework. So way number 4 is for digital centers. Why not have digital centers and have some normal centers? I mean, like with all this hands-on activities, so you can always blend. And way number 5 is, of course, when you can share these activities on your smart board, or if you have, and you can do these activities, you can complete them with the whole group of kids. Also, way number 6 is just given this, if you have technology in your classroom, I mean laptops or tablets for your kids or Chromebooks, you can have this small group activities and assign various subjects or various types of activities to your 3 different groups. There could be many other ways I forgot to mention, and please let me know in the comments what are your ways how you will continue to use digital activities in your classroom. So maybe this video was a little bit of rambling, and I just wanted to share my opinion that I don't want to be polarizing about using digital or not using digital at all. I don't think this is the case, and this is the good way out. I think we need to blend. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more rambling videos like this, or for more tutorials about digital platforms like Google Classroom, Seesaw, and also for some cool activities and things you can do in the classroom, which will be hands-on, fun, interactive, and will certainly engage your kids.